This is questions 24, 28, 36, 40 and 41 from exercise 1.1 in Project Maths 2. We have to factorise each of the following. In each of the cases that we have here, we're going to be looking at highest common factor to solve each of these out. So we'll go to 24 and look at this one first. Because there is no x in the second term in our expression, that means we don't have to worry about getting the highest common factor for the letters in this one. But we will have to get the highest common factor between 5 and 10. The highest common factor is the largest number that will divide into both of them. And the largest number that will divide into both 5 and 10 is 5. So I'm going to put down 5 and open a bracket. And then inside of our brackets, we're going to put what we would get if we divided each of these terms by the highest common factor. So 5x divided by 5 is just x, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we just get 5x plus 2. And that's it. That's it factorized. If we look at 28, we have a letter in a variable in both of our terms. So we're going to be looking for the highest common factor for the numbers and the letters. Our highest common factor between 4 and 2 is 2. And our highest common factor between x squared and x is x. And we open a bracket. So 4x squared divided by 2x is 2x, and 2x divided by 2x is 1. And that's that expression factorized. Now we look at question 36. In 36 we've got two variables in each expression, but we'll start with the numbers first. The highest common factor between 4 and 8 is 4. And then we look to each letter individually. The highest common factor between x squared and x is going to be x, and the highest common factor between y and y squared is going to be y. And now we open our bracket. So 4x squared y divided by 4xy is just going to be equal to x. And 8xy squared divided by 4xy is going to be equal to 2y. Like that. And that's that factorized out. And for question 40, we've got three terms in our expression. But the rules are going to go exactly the same as before. We're just doing it one extra time. So there's no number in our first term, which means that there's not going to be a highest common factor for the numbers. After that, we look to the letters. The highest common factor in a squared, and a is just going to be a. And the highest common factor in b and b squared is just going to be b. And inside our bracket, we're going to have AB divided by AB is 1. And then 2a squared b divided by AB is going to be 2a. And 3ab squared divided by AB is going to be 3b. Like that. And now for question 41, we're going to start with the numbers first in this. So the highest common factor between 8, 12 and 16 is 4. The highest common factor between a and a squared is a. And the highest common factor between b squared and b is b. And then we're going to, inside our brackets, we're going to put what we get when we divide 8ab by 4ab, which is just 2. And then what we get when we divide 12ab squared by 4ab, and that's going to be 3b. And then what we get, we divide 16a squared b by 4ab, and that's going to be 4a, like that. And that is that.